Hey everyone, this is CeoTrades. Money works for you. Welcome to the channel. Today is July 21st, Wednesday, 9:11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And guess what? Today is the day. The B word. The B word conference is happening in under 3 hours on Eastern Standard Time. And it's going to be awesome. It's 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time where it will be happening somewhere in the California area in the USA. And here in the Eastern Coast, we'll watch it the equivalent at 12 p.m. That's right. You should watch this conference because it's very important. We can see a big move already in crypto markets. Everything is up. If we look here, this is on Coinbase Pro. And if you just check in here, you can see that Bitcoin is up almost 7%. Ethereum is almost up 9%. ADA Cardano is up 11%. Doge is up 15, almost 16%. DOT is up 14%. Solana's up 14, almost 14%. ICP is up 21%. This is one of those coins that I'm interested in. It's internet computer. I believe it's what it's called. Let's just get the name here. Internet computer. Yeah, it sounds like a weird name, but that's what it's called. So everything is up across the board. And guess what? If this conference is a huge success, these coins should move further up. I don't know how far up they'll move, but from what we see, they should be moving even further up. There could be either a breakout, complete breakout, or it could be also a fake out. What is the difference? A breakout means it's going to go up and it's going to stay up. But a fake out means it's going to go up a little bit and then it's going to come right back down to either to the same level it was yesterday before it started to break out, or it's going to go below it. And that is possible. It is possible. So let's take a look at here at Doge, the coin of the people. I believe in Doge. I've picked up Doge for the long term, and it's a great buy at 18 cents right now. It's at 18.87 right now. It's very good. You could have picked it up yesterday for 16 cents, which is around where I predicted it would have fallen. And now it's headed back up. Don't know how far, but it looks good for the long term. It's not good for the short term yet until we see the actual charts, the actual movements of what's going on. If you can see here, there's a 15% move right in here. It's already gained 15%, and that's really, really good. Now let's move on to another software because this software is just so limited for me to watch, and it's easier when I have a software that I can view everything else that's happening as well. So that's why I choose KuCoin. There are many other ones as well. I could use PancakeSwap. I could use Bitmart, Bybit, and a few others that I have. But let's use KuCoin because I can see 8 different coins at the same time. You can see BAT here. Yesterday was at 47 cents when I was alerting it. It's at 48.8. It hasn't moved much, but it is on the move. EOS was at 326. It's gained almost 16 cents. BTC is at 31,004. It was, I believe, at 29,000. Ethereum was at 1770. If I recall correctly, let me just see here in the charts. When we were alerting it during the video yesterday, it was about 1770, and I said I would set a purchase at 1780, and it's really good. ADA was at $1.06 yesterday. It's at $1.15 today. I don't know if it fell any further than that, but we'll see here in a minute. And yep, it did fall just a little bit further than that. Tron case is up 0.003. It was at 0.05 cents yesterday, and now it's 0.053 cents. That's very good. Ethereum, Doge we spoke about. Matic is up. It's at 82 cents. It was at 77 cents, I believe it was yesterday. Let's see as it comes up here. It was at 64 cents actually, man, and it's up to 82 cents right now. Now let's see what's moving in the news. Is there any pertinent news worthwhile to either invest in or anything that can hinder the progress to one of these coins. Let's see up here. Let's click up here, and then we'll click on Bitcoin as it comes up and populates up here. We're going to see some more information. All this information is very important. We're going to utilize this information in a near future class, probably for Friday or next Monday, so that you know what these numbers mean and how to use them to your advantage. It's very important. Here's a small chart in the last 7 days, what has happened with Bitcoin. And again, it's almost where it started, almost. It's actually still below from where it started, and today it could get back to that level. So as we bring up Bitcoin here, you can see here we have the market, the historical data, holders, wallets, news, socials, ratings, analysis, price estimates. I just like the news right now. And because in the news, it will tell us what people are expecting. And right now, I'd say the biggest thing that's happening right now is a conference that's going to be happening today, the B word. That is a conference set to make some things happen. Trading firm of richest crypto billionaire reveals buying a lot more Bitcoin below 30K. Yep, I believe that. A lot of these wealthy millionaires and billionaires are buying Bitcoin below 30K. And that could be another reason why it's moving, because they were waiting for it to fall below that price and now jump in and wait to be able to make 50% to 100% returns and then drop out again. 6.2 million Bitcoins are being held at a loss, representing 33% of BTC supply. 6.2 million Bitcoins are being held at a loss, representing 33% of BTC supply. 33%. That means that among those of you who are listening, 1 out of 3 that are listening to this audio video are holding Bitcoin at a loss. But guess what? Eventually, you're going to make your money will multiply because of this. If you hold on to it, if you sell, then you're screwed. I make more money. ARK Investment buys another 10.8 million in Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust. Fabulous. This was an hour ago. So Kathy Woods is going to be speaking this at the B word today, and ARK Investment snaps more shares in Coinbase and Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust. That's fabulous. Bank of New York Mellon backs institutional Bitcoin trading platform Pure Digital. Wow. Elon Musk change of heart, can pump Bitcoin through the 30,000 resistance. Wow. So you can see there what is happening with Ethereum, with Bitcoin. Now let's look at Ethereum. That's what I meant to say. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum is my hold for the longer term. I believe this one's going to go up to the level that Bitcoin is, and at 1900s a steal. If it gets to the 30,000 mark, man, that would be great. That means my money would be multiplied at least 15 times, if not more. Now, for news, let's see what the news has to say in reference to Ethereum. Ethereum, as it pops up here, will go up, up, up. It will skyrocket. Just don't know when, but I do know that from here to December, we're expecting it to move, to make some new moves. No news to show. Now, that's wild. There's no news to show on Ethereum. Let's try that again. Once more. Nope, no news. Huh. I don't know what happened there. Now let's take a look at a different software that might give the news. Hold on a second. I have to share my screen again here as we get ready to show you this. Here we go. Let's see. Yep, there it is. Let's see if there's any news here on Ethereum. Give it a moment. As you can see, this software pops up much faster than CoinMarketCap, CoinStats. However, there's reasons why I'm liking CoinMarketCap more. But when it comes to speed, now CoinStats is giving some sort of advantage in its favor. And for me, because turnaround time is very, very important. DraftKings NFT marketplace will be exclusive home of Tom Brady. Crypto collectibles. BSC DeFi app Pancake Bunny releases post mortem of 2.4 million exploit. Bitcoin pumps 1,000 large caps. Cardano, Ethereum follow lead. Bitcoin pumps 1,000 large caps. Cardano, Ethereum follow lead. I don't know why they repeated that information there. I'm guessing they're attempting to move whatever's in here much quicker. Many traders fear that the bear market might officially be here after dropping more than 50% from all-time highs on average. Several large-cap decentralized finance tokens such as Badger, Thorchain, Alpha Finance, and others have now fallen up to 85% from their 2021 highs. Now, why do some of these fall 85%? Crypto is highly volatile. In other words, if you're taking this as a business, if you're expecting returns, well, guess what? Business is ugly. In general, all business is ugly. There's always going to be a moment that is going to have the best of you. However, if you let that moment get to you, then guess what? You're at a loss. So don't let it get to you, and learn that business will have its ugly moments, but in the end, it's going to be shining brightly in your favor. The post-Bitcoin pumps 1,000 large caps, Cardano, Ethereum follow lead, appeared first on, I don't know where. And you can see here again, Bitcoin is at 5.99%, just losing a little bit there. Ethereum is 8.45% at 1901. ADA Cardano is at 116. Let's see what else is happening here. Let's look at one other coin here. Let's see. We're going to look at XRP and see what's going on with XRP. XRP has some major lawsuit, and Ripple lawsuit update. Settlement inevitable. XRP poised to rebound on Ripple lawsuit. Developing Ripple drive analysis. XRP could not reach 50 cents overnight retracement to the upside today. Well, let's see what the latest news here is. Ripple is in the middle of a lawsuit with the SEC, which claims XRP tokens should be considered a security. Judge Sarah Netburn has agreed to depose the SEC's former director of the Division of Corporate Finance, William Hinman. Hinman claimed in 2018 that Ethereum and Bitcoin are not securities because of their decentralized nature. Now, that is going to bring a huge sore to the situation, because if Hinman claimed in 2018 that Ethereum and Bitcoin are not securities, then guess what? Everybody else is going to follow that information. I'm going to just take a screenshot of this because this is worthwhile posting in my Telegram group, and this information can be useful because it just goes to show there's a possibility that XRP is going to come out like a bandit and it's going to fly. This is information that you look for when you want to invest. This is XRP positive info in regards to lawsuit. There we go. Now, for many of you who are expecting to invest, Ripple has been slammed with a lawsuit putting the spotlight on the entire crypto sphere. Regulatory pushback has become apparent as Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are inching closer towards the mass audience. The SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple in 2020, December, claiming the company sold unregistered securities in the U.S. whilst claiming Ethereum and other cryptos are not securities due to their decentralized natures. Wow, that is amazing. Okay. If you want to find out more about XRP and why this is happening, XRP has been delisted from all major exchanges as they fear being liable for listing an unregistered security. A victory during the deposition does not mean winning the entire case, but rather one battle. The price of Ripple has dropped by 70% since its year high of nearly $2. That's right. Hinman, Ripple's way out. Yep. If Hinman's what he said in 2018 is credible, then guess what? XRP will be off the hook. So this is it for CeoTrades today. There's many more things to talk about, but I want to keep these to a brief so that you are able to do your own research, your own due diligence, and start investing in your knowledge account so that your money account will grow multiplied. Please like, subscribe, and share, because if you share, oh my God, it will be unbelievable. Take care.